NoLagVPN versus Lagofast. Which one actually helps reduce lag or boost your gaming connection? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down NoLagVPN and Lagofast, two tools marketed as lag fixers for gamers, so you can decide which one actually works before spending your money. Let's start with NoLagVPN. It's basically a gaming-focused VPN that promises lower ping by routing your game traffic through better servers. It's simple to set up and works with games like Valorant, CS2, and even some MMORPGs. Some users say it helps in areas with poor routing, but others don't see much of a difference, especially if your internet is already solid. Now let's talk about Lagofast. Lagofast feels more like an all-in-one network booster, not just for gaming, but also streaming, VoIP, and general web use. It uses game-boosting tech to optimize your connection and even has DNS tools to speed things up. If you do more than just game online, Lagofast might feel more useful. So which one should you buy? If you're a gamer only looking to cut ping and smooth out connections, NoLagVPN might be worth trying. But if you want something that helps your whole network, not just games, Lagofast could give you more bang for your buck. Both are legit tools, just built for slightly different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you tried and how it worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.